Efficiency is achieved through intelligent flow design in the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory. In the heart of the Philippines, the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory journey begins with living strength in the field. Every step forward in the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory begins with careful guidance and respect for livestock. Within the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory system, transport begins with controlled and humane loading.
Each kilometer brings the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory closer to modern processing infrastructure.
Each kilometer brings the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory closer to modern processing infrastructure.
At the entrance of the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory, strict industrial control begins.
Biosecurity ensures every stage of the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory meets strict safety standards. Inside the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory, precision pathways guide every movement.
Careful preparation ensures smooth transition within the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory.
And here, the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory begins its controlled transformation journey. Inside the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory, transport continues through controlled internal movement systems.
Every animal in the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory is carefully organized for processing precision. Precision measurement ensures full control inside the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory system.
The Filipino Carabao Meat Factory uses controlled internal transport for safe relocation. Every step in the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory ensures strict sanitation control.
Now the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory transitions from transport to production.
Inside the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory, scale and precision merge into one system.
Human precision directs every movement within the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory.
Positioning marks the final step before processing begins in the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory.
And now, the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory begins its transformation through controlled cleaning.
The Filipino Carabao Meat Factory stands as a complete industrial ecosystem built for precision processing. Every entry into the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory is carefully controlled and monitored.
Centralized intelligence coordinates the entire Filipino Carabao Meat Factory operation.
The Filipino Carabao Meat Factory ensures safe transition from transport to processing. Movement continues deeper into the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory system. This is the gateway between outside world and the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory core. Order and structure define every stage of the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory.
Human coordination ensures precision flow inside the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory.
And now, the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory fully enters its processing environment. In the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory, cleaning begins with industrial precision and force. Every surface in the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory is thoroughly prepared for processing.
Purity and control define every step of the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory process.
Now the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory organized flow for precision classification.
Health verification ensures safety standards inside the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory.
Smart sorting systems optimize flow inside the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory. Automation guides every decision within the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory.
Even waiting zones in the Filipino Carabao meat factory are carefully controlled. Data intelligence drives efficiency in the Filipino Carabao meat factory.
And now, the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory advances toward core transformation. Inside the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory, the core transformation stage begins with structured precision.
The Filipino Carabao meat factory ensures controlled stabilization before transformation begins.
Precision verification is essential within the Filipino Carabao meat factory system.
Flow control defines every movement inside the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory.
At the heart of the Filipino Carabao meat factory, machinery begins its coordinated operation.
Every transition in the Filipino Carabao meat factory is engineered for precision flow.
Positioning ensures accuracy in the Filipino Carabao meat factory workflow.
Synchronization drives efficiency inside the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory.
Controlled environments maintain safety throughout the Filipino Carabao meat factory.
And now, the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory enters its advanced transformation core. Inside the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory, the main transformation stage begins with industrial precision.
Precision engineering defines every process inside the Filipino Carabao meat factory. Temperature control ensures consistency inside the Filipino Carabao meat factory. Every detail is verified within the Filipino Carabao meat factory system. Refinement transforms structure into final industrial quality inside the Filipino Carabao meat factory.
The Filipino Carabao Meat Factory prepares output for final finishing.
Inside the Filipino Carabao meat factory, automation governs every precise movement.
Real-time intelligence drives efficiency in the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory.
Synchronization defines industrial perfection in the Filipino Carabao meat factory.
Dynamic routing ensures zero waste movement in the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory.
Accuracy is constantly verified inside the Filipino Carabao meat factory.
Artificial intelligence ensures uncompromising quality in the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory. Every detail is perfected inside the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory. Speed and precision merge in the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory. Unified control drives the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory forward. And now, the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory moves into final refinement. In the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory, finishing begins with absolute precision control. Every millimeter matters inside the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory. Consistency is engineered through advanced systems in the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory.
Refinement is continuously verified inside the Filipino Carabao meat factory.
Order and structure define perfection in the Filipino Carabao meat factory.
AI precision guarantees consistency in the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory. Flaws are eliminated instantly inside the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory.
Stability ensures readiness in the Filipino Carabao meat factory.
final approval ensures perfection inside the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory. And now, the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory prepares for final presentation. Inside the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory, every product undergoes strict scientific validation.
Safety is verified at a microscopic level in the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory.
Precision science ensures quality inside the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory.
Cold chain integrity is guaranteed within the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory system.
Every seal is tested to ensure absolute protection in the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory. Nothing is hidden from inspection inside the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory.
Human expertise finalizes quality in the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory.
Certification guarantees trust from the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory. Approval unlocks the final stage of the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory.
And now, the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory prepares for global distribution.
In the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory, packaging begins with industrial precision and speed. Every Filipino Carabao Meat Factory package is sealed for absolute protection.
Identity and traceability define every product in the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory.
Final validation ensures perfection inside the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory.
Efficiency reaches its peak in the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory dispatch zone. Storage ensures freshness within the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory system.
Smart logistics manage every pallet in the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory. Global distribution begins at the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory dispatch zone. Every shipment carries the precision of the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory.
And this is how the Filipino Carabao Meat Factory transforms tradition into a global industrial system.